Hello, Joe from Joe K Models here. So this would be a mail call. I received this package moments ago, and as you can see, it's from overseas. It should be from the Ukraine actually, and I thought it would be fun to go ahead and open this up right now. So let's take a look. I mean, kudos to them finding the exact fitting box to fit this in, by the way. So here we are, I don't know if this is how you pronounce it, the Tupolev TB3 4M17G2. And this is actually a build by request, and it's a special one because I'm going to be building this for somebody who actually parachuted off this airplane. So I had to go overseas to get this. I couldn't find it anywhere locally, so paid a little bit extra for it, but you know, from what I've seen, I think that this is going to be a really fun kit to build. So we got some different, looks like an American version right there. So I'm going to do an unboxing of this and take a look at what's actually in there. And yeah, I'm going to check back, but I want to do this unboxing. I thought it would be fun to get this on camera, and definitely appreciate it. And I'll see you on the next one. This is Joe from Joe K Models.